infinite now. I'm on a mission and it's heaven sent.